Hello everyone, I am Daud Jayapati, a maths teacher. Today in this session, we will start class 9 exercise number 6.3. In question number 2, in the given figure 6.40, okay, angle of x is equal to 62 degree. Angle of xyz is equal to 54 degree, okay, xyz is equal to 54 degree. If yo and zo both are bisector of angle of xyz and angle of xzy, then we need to find out angle of oyz and angle of yoz. So let us write first our given data. Okay, in this question we have given angle of xyz is equal to 54 degree. So here xyz is equal to 54 degree. Okay, so write down angle of xyz is equal to 54 degree. Okay, xyz is equal to 54 degree. Second thing is angle of x is equal to 62 degree. Then we have two questions. Our first question is we need to find out OYZ. Okay, so angle of OZY. Okay, OZY. And second thing is angle of YOZ. Okay, so OZY, that means in this question we need to find out this angle. Am I right? This angle and again this angle. Okay, OZY, that means this one, and YOZ, that means this one. So dear student, how can we find out this? So look at here. OY and OZ both are bisector of angle Y and angle Z respectively. Okay, so what do you mean by bisector? Bisector means two equal part. Am I right? Suppose in this question we have OY is a bisector of angle XYZ. That means we can say that XYO plus OYZ is equal to 54 degree. Okay, that means write down solution. First one is here OY and OZ are bisector of angle XYZ and angle XZY respectively. Okay, now first one is how can we find out angle of OYZ? Okay, how can we find out angle of OYZ and how can we find out angle of OZY? So first we have this one, x is equal to 62, y is equal to 54 degree. That we can easily find out angle of z. Okay, so write down here for triangle XYZ. I can draw here a roughly figure. Okay, x, y and z. This one is 62, this one is 54 degree. So what will be the angle of z? So write down angle of x plus angle of y plus angle of z is equal to 180 degree. That's why x is equal to 62 plus y is equal to 54 plus angle of z is equal to 180 degree. So angle of z is equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54. That means 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. and 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Am I right? That's why angle of Z is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 and 17. Okay, because this one is 7. 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. Okay friends, so now we have angle of Z. So we can easily find out bisector. Okay, OYZ and OZY. So write down, first question is OZY. For angle of OZY, here OZY means XZY plus XZO. Okay, XZO plus OZY, and both are equal. Okay, both are equal. That's why we can write here angle of XZO equal to angle of OZY. That means OZY, that means Z is equal to 64 degree, and both are equal. So I can write here angle of OZY plus angle of OZY, because of if XZO is equal to OZY, then I can use OZY. So 2 times angle of OZY equal to 64 degree. That's why angle of OZY is equal to 64 by 2. So first answer is angle of OZY is equal to 3 2s are 6 and 2 2s are 4, 32 degree. So this is your first answer. Now our second question is YOZ. Okay, YOZ. So here we have OZY. Okay, OZY. So if this one is 32 degree, okay, but we have no this value, so how can we find out O? So similarly, like that, we can write similarly angle of OYZ is equal to 1/2. Okay, 1/2 OYZ is equal to 1/2 XYZ that means 1/2 XYZ is equal to 54 degree. So our answer is 2 2s are 4, even 7 2s are. Okay, so angle of OYZ is equal to 27 degree. So this one is now 27 degree. So here OZY is equal to 32 degree. OYZ is equal to 27 degree. Then what is the value of angle O? Okay, which one is our second question? So write down angle O plus angle of YOZ plus angle of OZY plus angle of ZYO is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so write down on next page. Angle of YOZ plus angle of YOZ. Okay, here YOZ plus OZY plus angle of OYZ is equal to 180 degree. That's why angle of YOZ plus OZY, okay, is equal to 32 degree, and OYZ is equal to 27 degree. So write down 32 plus 27. This one is 32 degree plus 27 degree is equal to 108. That's why angle of YOZ is equal to 180 minus 7 plus 2 means 9, and 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So our answer is angle of YOZ is equal to 10 minus 9 1, 7 minus 5 2, and 1. So we get our answer YOZ is equal to 121 degree. Okay. So our answer is, question was OZY. Okay. So first angle of OZY, and second one angle of YOZ is equal to, so answer will be a OZY. Where is OZY? Here. OZY is equal to 32 degree and YOZ is equal to 121 degree. So this is the solution of our question number 2.